Common symptoms of a bad fuel pump relay: engine stalls. A faulty fuel pump relay can cause the engine to stall unexpectedly, especially when the vehicle is at idle or during acceleration. Difficulty starting. If the fuel pump relay is not working properly, it can prevent the fuel pump from delivering the required amount of fuel to the engine, making it difficult to start the vehicle. Reduced fuel efficiency. A bad fuel pump relay can lead to poor fuel efficiency due to insufficient fuel reaching the engine. Engine won't start. In some cases, a faulty fuel pump relay can prevent the engine from starting at all. Noisy fuel pump. If the fuel pump relay is not functioning correctly, it can cause the fuel pump to make unusual noises. Check engine light. A malfunctioning fuel pump relay can trigger the check engine light to come on. This can indicate a problem with the fuel system, including the fuel pump relay.